31 years ago, the British Navy officially handed over command of the Police Marine Unit to local authorities. More than just a change in leadership, the event marked the start of the Royal St. Lucia Police Force, taking full responsibility for protecting and patrolling the country's maritime borders. Since then, the Police Marine Unit has become a vital arm of St. Lucia's national security framework.
Over the years, personnel came and personnel left. The personnel, they alone know the unit's secrets. The hardships, the vomiting, the back pain, the knee pain, dizziness, eye problems, and second thoughts of why they joined the unit in the first place. But we also know the camaraderie, the togetherness, the joy and the laughter, and the sense of accomplishment, knowing that we had done our part.
The past year, however, brought unprecedented challenges. Among the difficulties was the emotional impact of loss, including 5 individuals regarded as pillars of the unit.
Were interwoven into the very fabric of our maritime operations. The absence is deeply felt. However, the legacy remains etched into our hearts. Remember the sacrifice, the camaraderie, the strength. And while their watch may have ended, our duty to honor them is perpetual. Adding to these difficulties, our inability to operate from our sovereign base has further strained our operations readiness. The constraint it placed on our reach, response time, and patrol capabilities were real, and yet we were able to adapt.
This year also ushered in a leadership transition, with Assistant Superintendent of Police Irving Alfred taking command of the Marine Unit. In his address, Assistant Superintendent of Police Alfred praised the team's resilience and commitment during a particularly demanding period.
We can no longer afford to play checkers in a chessboard world. To effectively manage and secure our maritime space, we must shift from being reactive responders to strategic thinkers. What do I mean by that? Bridging the technological gap by integrating real-time data, surveillance systems, and digital tracking into our operations. Cultivating a mindset of innovation, where each officer is encouraged to think critically, adapt rapidly, and question the status quo. Investing in people, because while equipment and tools are valuable, human beings are, or should say, is irreplaceable.
The theme for Tiller Day 2025, quote, Navigating Challenges with Strength and Unity, captured the essence of the unity's collective journey. Assistant Commissioner of Police Dr. Mashama Seeley reinforced this message, sharing a poignant anecdote that highlighted the enduring significance of Tiller Day.
Tiller Day remains a crucial link between St. Lucia's past and the future. It challenges us to preserve our culture by innovating for tomorrow, to honor those who traverse this path before us, whilst empowering the youth to remember that in both calm and storm, it is unity, not just strength, that steers the ship to shore safely.
To recognize their hard work over the past year, each officer in the Police Marine Unit was presented with a token of appreciation. As the unit continues its journey, it charts a course united through shared challenges and victories anchored in unwavering loyalty. Gina Filippi, HTS News Force.